Pure Vista are designers and engineers of innovative glass balustrade systems. Pure Vista are now introducing BLASTguard for installations in busy public areas, providing clarity and day-to-day comfort of normal activities without compromising on people's safety. Pure Vista's BLASTguard channel is so simple to install. Slip the glass clamps onto the glass, making sure they are squeezed tight at the bottom, then place the glass into the channel. The glass can now safely rock within the system. Slide the plastic bar over the thread of the clamp hook and loosely screw on the nut. Lower these into the channel and hook over the lip. Now slide these into position on the clamps. Adjust the glass into the correct position and tighten the bolts to 15 Nm using a torque wrench. Affix the finishing stainless steel effect cladding at the end of the installation. Pure Vista's BLASTguard is the perfect choice for protecting people in train stations and airports. The system has been tested and passes ASIAD, Aviation Security and Airport Development, Classes 1 and 2 in accordance with ISO 16933-2007. We tested 2 glass panels, one at 1.1 meters high and one at 1.8 meters high. Using 31.52mm PVB laminate, the glass remains intact after the explosion. Pure Vista BLASTguard, keeping people safe. For more information, visit pure-vista.com or email technical@pure-vista.com.